Welcome to the complete guide to hardware security keys, moving beyond traditional passwords for robust security. Traditional login methods fail due to vulnerabilities like phishing, password reuse, and data breaches. We need a physical root of trust for security. A hardware security key is a physical shield, a small USB or NFC device using strong cryptography. It stores unique private keys, requires a physical touch to activate, and cannot be copied or shared online. The industry standards include FIDO2 for passwordless login, WebAuthn, a web API for seamless authentication, and CTAP for authenticating external devices over USB or NFC. Comparing security levels, hardware keys offer an elite level of protection, providing 100% defense against automated phishing attacks, significantly surpassing SMS 2FA and mobile apps. Hardware keys employ anti-phishing technology through "origin binding," linking your login to a specific website URL. This prevents credential sharing with fake sites, offering 100% effective defense against man-in-the-middle attacks. Security keys come in various form factors. Wired options like USB-A and USB-C are common for desktops. Wireless options like NFC and Bluetooth work well with smartphones. Lightning connectors are available for older iPhone models. We can compare top security keys like YubiKey 5 Series, Google Titan, and Phishing IE based on supported protocols and durability. Each offers robust features for enhanced digital security. Getting started is easy. First, buy two keys, a primary and a backup. Second, register them in your security settings. Third, verify the connection. Finally, store your backup key safely. As a technical security expert notes, hardware security keys are the single most effective way to protect your digital identity from attackers. The real-world impact is clear. Companies using hardware keys see a 99.9% reduction in automated account takeovers, demonstrating unparalleled reliability and security.